Hello 5th class students. Today we will continue our lesson number 4. We will start from the page number 44, working with shapes. The shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to add various shapes like stars, banners, scale out, connectors, etc. to your document. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your text. सो देयर इज़ ए ड्राइंग फीचर. आप ड्राइंग में बहुत सारे शेप्स बनाते हो, स्टार्स लाइक बैनर्स, स्केल आउट, कनेक्टर्स एक्सेट्रा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो पॉसिबल टू मेक द शेप्स इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड ऑल्सो. सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स. You will see the steps from your book and side by side I will do it practically. So open Microsoft Word, look at your book. To draw a shape, first we will take one new file, okay, then blank document, click on the create button. After clicking on this, you will click on insert tab. In insert tab there is a shapes option. This shape buttons will come. Now a drop down menu displays various shapes like lines, rectangles, block, arrows, okay, flow charts, scale outs, stars and banners, as it is also given in your book in figure 4.3 also. Select the shape from the drop down menu. Select any shape from the drop down menu. As we have selected here smiley face, like we have selected this face, then a pointer changes to plus, or you can say crosshair symbol. Click on, drag the mouse on the working area until the selected shape appears in the desired size. So we will make the shape like this way. To rotate the shape, to rotate the shape, drag the green handle. If you want to rotate the shape, you want to move the shape, you can move like this way also, okay. You can rotate the shape also like this way from this green handle. When the shape is selected, now new tab name format appears on the menu bar. So when you draw the shape, you will notice that this one format tab appears on the screen. From here, what you can do, you can add a quick style to your shape. Choose any option from the shape styles group on the format tab. These shape styles are there. You can select any color, any style from here, like this style if I have selected. So you can select any style of your shape from the shapes styles group option. To display more styles, you can click on the other, this one themes also, these are there. So more items are there. You can select any style or any shape style to your picture. Now next option is placing text in shapes. Placing text in shape. So I hope you understand that how to create the shape. Now we will see placing text in a shape. You can also insert text in a shape. आप shape के अंदर कुछ भी लिख भी सकते हो. To add text in a shape, what you have to do, select the desired shape को select कर लो and right click on that. There is one option will come, add text option from the shortcut menu, and the insertion point appears in the object. Now type your text. Let's do it practically. Like I have selected one page. Here I will select one, insert one shape here. Like here I want to insert this shape, I will delete. Then click on the insert tab, then shapes option. From here I will draw one shape which is given in your book also. So any shape you can select from here. Like this shape we will select and we will draw this shape on the screen, and you can click on the shape, and there is one option, add text option. This add text option, you click here and you can type here like it is written here, practice makes the man perfect. Makes a man perfect. So you can in this way write the text in your picture. Next is using drawing tools. Using drawing tools. Now students, in this in this part, using drawing tools, you see all this activity zone. Use the line tool option and rectangle and oval from the shapes options and draw this hut on your computer and send me the pics if it is possible through the app or through your mobile phone on the computer group. You can send me the pics, this activity zone. Next is your inserting word art. The word art feature allow you to create special text effects. अगर आपने अपने words के ऊपर या text के ऊपर कुछ special effects लगाने हैं, then you can use this word art feature. It gives a unique look to the text. ये text को अलग ही look देता है. Using word art, you can create decorative effects such as curved, wavy, shadowed, 3D dimension etc. इससे आप अपने टेक्स्ट को बहुत सुंदर बना सकते हो, जैसे कर्वी वे में, वेवी में, या शेडो देनी हो उसको, आपको टेक्स्ट को 3 dimensional शेडो देनी हो, देन यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड आर्ट फीचर. फॉर दिस these are the steps. Select the text which you want to apply the word art feature. For this, first we write some text, like I will write here welcome. So we will change the size of the text so you can see easily, like here welcome students. Okay, so if I want to apply the word art effect to this one, so I will select the text and then click on insert tab. In the insert tab there is word art option. This one option you click here and select any style. When you click on, then the text will be, this style will be applied to your text. Now student, next is inserting clip art. How you can insert clip art to your text? To inserting the clip art, what is clip art? So let's read it first. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Means आपके कंप्यूटर में पहले से ही कुछ पिक्चर्स होती हैं जो प्री डिज़ाइंड होती हैं, आप उसको अपने फाइल में या अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में ऐड कर सकते हो. सो हाउ यू कैन ऐड द पिक्चर्स, लेट्स सी प्रैक्टिकली. यू विल क्लिक ऑन द insert tab. In insert tab there is one option, clip art option. Click on this clip art option, then this type of illustration group will come here. Then type the topic on which you want to search picture, like according to your book it is written here computer. So when I will click on go button, then the pictures related with the computer will come. So you can select any pictures, then you can click on there, then that picture will be inserted on your screen. Then you can drag it anywhere on. After clicking on the picture, then click on close button to close this illustrations group. Now see here the picture has been added on the screen. So in this way we can insert clip art. So in the next lecture I will send you how to add watermark and add borders and shading and insert cover page. Up to here, do it practically. Thank you student.